I have two recipes today, both of them prepared with just 3 ingredients, and you need only 15 minutes to whip this up. I'm so excited to share these with you, so let's quickly see the recipe. If you're watching my video first time, hi, I'm Nadira. Welcome to Nadi's Kitchen. Our first recipe is lemon posset. If you're a fan of milk-based dessert like Indian milk pedas, you definitely should try this. I begin by taking a zest from a lemon. And I took some lemon juice as well out of it. And we need 3 tablespoons lemon juice. If you are using lime, reduce the amount to 2 tablespoons, not more than that, because lime is more tangy than lemon. Then we need 1 cup cream. I took them to a saucepan. Then I took 1/3 cup of condensed milk. If you want, you can use sugar as well. If you want dessert to be too sweet, add little more. For us, this was perfect. It was moderately sweetened. Then add them to the cream. Then I added 1 teaspoon of zest of the lemon. This one just added to enhance the lemony flavor to the dessert. Mix everything really well. Then switch on the flame and cook them on a low flame until it heated and get bubbles on the side. After that, take off from the heat and add 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Again, if you are using lime, reduce the quantity to 2 tablespoons. Then mix everything really well. This time you can see it is getting curdled slightly. Then strain the mixture to remove the lemon zest and to get the smooth and creamy pudding. And keep them aside for 5 to 10 minutes like that. After that, transfer them to individual serving dishes. I don't recommend to set this dessert into single dish because it might be messy and won't be that inviting while serving. If you want, you can give biscuit and butter base before pouring the mixture, which can give little crunchy combination. But I just left it really simple and creamy. The plain dessert also tasted really great. Take them to the refrigerator and cool for 4 to 5 hours. By that time it will get set well. If possible, keep them overnight. My dessert is ready. I just garnish it with some lemon zest and strawberries. This is just for the decoration. Now it is set really well and they are really creamy. Can a dessert be this simple? It is absolutely delicious, guys. I'm hooked with this. Hope you too gonna love it. Let's move on to our second recipe. For that, I have taken here some strawberries. You can use mangoes or any other tangy fruits. Then we need 1 cup cream cheese or cottage cheese or Indian paneer. Here I took cottage cheese. Take them to a food processor or a blender. Then add in some condensed milk as per your taste. Here I added only 2 tablespoons. And if you want, you can add some vanilla essence as well, but here I did not use. And blend them until creamy and smooth. Then I added 1 cup strawberries. Then you need to blend them until smooth. After that, I transferred them to individual serving bowl. Keep them in refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. And they are ready. I decorated with some strawberries again. This is one of our summer favorite dessert. I hope you like both the recipes. Do try and let us know the feedback. Please subscribe the channel if you haven't already for more such recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you with another recipe. Until then, take care.